Okay, so let's import a Google image or site plan. You may use this plan to create an outdoor event, or maybe a festival plan. Just click on the Templates button, you will see the templates next to the Save button. From here, click on the New Template, this will open a new blank template. Just click on the File button located in the top left corner, then look down until you see the Import button. From here, select the Google image you would like to import. Now click on the Scale button. I can see the scale down the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Scale on the plan. For this example, the scale is 80 meters. Click on the 2 points on the scale. Now type in the correct measurement. So I'm typing 80 meters, if you choose feet you can just type in the distance. Your floor plan is now imported, scale and ready for your event layout. For a good tip, right-click your mouse on the floor plan and click the Lock button. This will keep the floor plan in place so it can't be moved accidentally. Saving your event plan will save it to your PC, Mac or tablet device. So if you click Save, this will download the event plan to your Downloads folder on your computer. Now let's open a plan, and opening a saved plan is easy. Click on the File button, located in the top left corner. Then select Open, this is the second option in the menu. Now click on the purple button at the bottom that says, Open an existing floor plan saved to my computer. Then navigate to your Downloads folder. Inside the Downloads folder you will see all your saved event plans. Choose which one, and click Open. For a great trick, keep watching this video.